Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at recent case studies on the implementation of automation solutions in different sectors, such as manufacturing, financial services, retail, and healthcare. Here we look at a small sample of how automation is helping companies to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase service quality. We will see practical examples of leading companies such as Ford, Siemens, JP Morgan, Walmart, and Philips, which have transformed their operations through automation. If you want to learn how these companies have optimized their processes and how you can apply these strategies in your organization, this video is for you. In the manufacturing sector, automation has been key to reducing lead times and improving quality. We review the case of Ford Motor Company, which implemented collaborative robots in its assembly lines. These robots perform repetitive tasks, such as part bolting and quality inspection, allowing human operators to concentrate on supervisory activities. Thanks to this implementation, Ford reduced assembly times by 20% and improved inspection accuracy. Siemens, for its part, has used AI-based predictive maintenance systems for its production plants. This technology makes it possible to predict failures before they occur, which has reduced downtime by 15% and reduced maintenance costs by 10%. Automation has also transformed the financial sector. JP Morgan Chase implemented RPA, robotic process automation, to automate the processing of legal contracts. This technology allows documents to be reviewed in minutes, freeing employees to focus on more complex tasks. The result was an 80% reduction in errors and much faster processing. HSBC, on the other hand, has implemented AI models for credit risk analysis, improving the accuracy of its assessments. This automation has enabled HSBC to reduce by 30% the time needed to assess the creditworthiness of customers, speeding up loan approvals and reducing the delinquency rate. In the retail sector, automation has improved both logistics and customer experience. Of particular note is the case of Walmart, which implemented an automated inventory management system. Using AI, Walmart can adjust inventory levels in real time, which has reduced warehousing costs by 15% and improved in-store product availability. Amazon, meanwhile, has used machine learning algorithms to personalize product recommendations. This automation has increased the conversion rate by 20%, improving sales of related products and increasing customer satisfaction. In the healthcare sector, automation is helping to improve patient care and reduce diagnostic times. The case of the Cleveland Clinic, which implemented an AI system to manage medical appointments and classify patients, is shown. This automation has reduced waiting times by 20% and optimize the allocation of medical resources. Philips has developed an automated system for diagnostic imaging, using AI to analyze X-rays and MRI scans. This technology has reduced the time needed to make a diagnosis by 30%, allowing radiologists to concentrate on complex cases and improving treatment efficiency. The benefits realized by companies that have adopted automation are summarized here, including reduced costs, improved accuracy, and increased customer satisfaction. The case studies presented demonstrate that automation of repetitive tasks can transform operational efficiency in any industry, enabling companies to save time and resources and improve the quality of their services. If you want to implement automation solutions in your organization to improve efficiency and reduce costs, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we can develop a strategy that maximizes the benefits of automation in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.